that bring joy to you. It's the girl, oh, it's the girl. It isn't the Brooklyn that you always wandered to. It isn't the mountain flowers or the morning dew. It isn't the loveness that brings love to you. It's the girl that makes you happy, and it's the girl that makes you blue. You often doubt them. What a lonely world would be without them. That's why it isn't the songbirds, the songs that they sing. It isn't the sunshine that makes you like spring. So what is this magic that makes love the thing? It's the girl, it's the girl. Some folks need atmosphere when they're making love. They say Mother Nature makes love grand. Still lovers will complain that they need the shore. If you're a Romeo, you're gonna understand. It isn't the paddle, it's not the canoe. It isn't the river or skies that are blue. It isn't the love dreams that bring joy to you. Wherever you go, whatever you do, it's the girl, it isn't the brook that you wander to. It isn't the mountain, the flowers or the morning dew. It isn't the loveness that brings love to you. It's the girl, it's the girl. It's not the places you go, it's not the crowd, it's not the folks you know. So listen while I shout out loud. Ba ba da ba ba da ba da ba 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 da ba da ba ba.